Finally, the first image of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 that seems to be official has appeared online today. It looks to be a promotional image for the upcoming foldable device that will be introduced next month. Given that we have less than a month till the official launch, it is not unexpected that the most significant leaks have only begun to surface. There have already been a number of Samsung Z Fold 5 leaks, including computer-generated renderings that give us a decent sense of the device's design. This alleged marketing image of the new foldable device is consistent with past leaks, suggesting that this might be our first glimpse at the forthcoming flagship foldable. A design like the ones in the leaked images may be seen in Miss More Price's image. A sleek camera cutout, more polished edges, and what looks to be a new hinged design all contribute to the device's improved design by making it slimmer and minimizing the space between the panels. Considering that a S Pen is also seen in the image, it should go without saying that this device, like its predecessor, will support the pen. However, as Samsung continues to not provide the Galaxy Z Fold devices with the S Pen in the box, users will need to buy the stylus separately. Everything else seems to be in the same location as the previous model, including the speaker and microphone positions. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 will feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU, a 7.6-inch foldable display with QHD+ resolution, and a 6.2-inch Full HD+ cover display, according to what is already known. A 4400 mAh battery with 45W quick charging is another claimed feature of the device. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will surely be introduced during a Samsung event on July 27 in South Korea, which the company has confirmed. The new foldable phones are expected to be on sale on August 11, according to reports. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.